Thomasville is a really unique place, and it's been so inspiring to see people come together just immediately and swing into action when COVID-19 hit.
For the last several weeks, I've had the 3D printers from school and have been printing PPE for the COVID-19 pandemic.
It's really been a tremendous team effort seeing so many folks just jumping on board and making these shields. Right now we've made about 2,000 masks at least. Super grateful to the Thomas County school system for being so open to using this equipment to join the fight against COVID.
Like most businesses, we were hit originally pretty hard with a decline in sales, and when the government kind of recommended that most people will need to be wearing face masks for their safety, it was kind of a sad thing for me to think about people walking around in face masks. But I thought we might have a way that we could kind of have some fun with it and kind of engage people's imaginations with some fun face masks. Most people were not too happy about having to wear face masks. Anything that can kind of lighten that process up and bring a little bit of a smile, even though you may not be able to see the smile, you assume there's one behind the mask.
Feed the Fight is an initiative that was spearheaded across the United States. We had some business owners here who had the idea of trying to spearhead that here locally. We were able to connect with Archbold Foundation, a couple of other business owners, and it helps us to support our healthcare heroes, but it also helps us to support our restaurants who have been incredibly impacted by the pandemic.
Probably the most important thing was that we felt like we were contributing, that we were helping in a situation where most people across the world felt helpless. You know, we were sent away from our job, from our kids, and not really certain of what the future held, but this enabled us to have some sort of control, to contribute back, to feel like we were all still connected.
Hey, I'm Jeremy Emmett, the owner-operator of the Hampton Inn here in Thomasville, Georgia. The best way we could help with the fight was to provide lodging to essential workers at a reduced cost. But we were lucky enough to have Checkmate Industries donate 30 days worth of rooms, and also TC Federal Bank here in Thomasville donated.
And I think that's what makes Thomasville unique, is that we're not people who sit around. We have a very unique culture, but we also have people who just get to work right away and make things happen. This is such a special place to live, but it's also a really special place to have a business and to work because of that community of support.